Oh, there we go. I wanted to show you what happens when your nice little oil cap happens to say, I don't want to be on there anymore. So I found this up at the building, and that's what it did to my engine. It's nasty. I got all over it. Good thing I had the hood on. It would have been hot and a pain in the butt if I didn't have that hood on. It covered my gas tank, it covered the engine, it covered the whole entire hood. You can see it dripping down there if you look careful. If I can. Oh, I don't know if y'all could see it. Anyways, my engine is wet. Everything's freaking wet. And the course of this, I was running a 2050 in it, and I don't have any extra 2050, so I'm gonna have to go over to my friend's house that I know I have oil over there, and I can go get some. She's about half low, since she squirted it all. It got so bad, if you look out here near the shifter and all, I look at the camera, I can tell you. It's wet, it's got sprinkles everywhere. I wondered where the sprinkles were coming from. I know now. And she's warm. Boy, she's warm. Y'all, I'm gonna cancel this video and go put oil in it. I don't know how to space them out yet, so I'll put part 2. See you in a minute. Okay, part 2. Sorry for the wind, it just started. Okay, I went ahead and skipped it all, the pouring the oil. Everyone should know how to pour oil. I figured I would save this part so all of you can see of all the oil that went everywhere. Mainly, I'm getting it off of the top and all. Hey, that's surprisingly, I figured that would have went everywhere. Sorry again for the wind. Heck, I shouldn't be telling you guys sorry for it. It ain't my fault. Mother Nature's blowing. That don't sound right either. If any of this does not sound right, you're more than welcome to comment. I won't get my glow. My temper levels is decent. That's it. I'm set you guys down. I'm not gonna worry about what's on the hood. It ain't gonna kill it. Whoa. Yeah, well, that was very unexpected. And oh yeah, I forgot that has been from my wheel almost completely falling off accident, which I was probably partly blamed. That I was doing pretty bad. Ow, tooth got me. Well, with all this oil, it'll have a nice little shine to it, at least. Well, I gotta get you off of the top of the cylinder block. You probably vibrate off. So, let's see. Y'all just gonna have to stare at the console. And my nasty greasy hands that actually has a little bit of rust powder dust from sanding and painting the dashboard and the hood, but not the inside, as you can all can tell. don't know if you guys could tell. Sorry for rambling. I do that a lot. I'm sorry for it too, but okay, since I don't know if you guys can see over that cone. I think you guys can, but I don't know. We're on a slow journey up to the building to put my 2050 in the funnel. It's been slanted once or twice. I don't know. I didn't slant it. There's my paint can. And I left on the ground because I wanted to drive it after I painted it. But I should have. Y'all look, that thing might have been from the cap falling off. If Lord willing, I'll have me some grass cutting jobs this summer. I didn't do too shabby last summer, but I'm going to try getting more jobs to do and all, but that's about all. Note to self, the reason I have the engine running and me far distance away from any other thing, that it will explode, to let it burn the oil that went everywhere. Sadly but true. But in the future, I want to rig me a plate, put the camera, and strap the hood down so you guys don't go forwards and look all the way down. Now everyone's looking at me odd, like wanting to talk to a camera, walking to an engine that's running. And I have a minute left. And y'all probably can't hear me. Since we got so many seconds. I'm waiting for parts, but I actually got a 12.5 to fit on it. Well, supposed to be able to fit on. I actually had a posing to go on it, but the cylinders won't clear the pedals, and I could burn myself every time. And I need a coil for that, because it's